Right, so we need a a title bar, typical app. So same structure. I'm going to create a frame here in my base, and so make that 200 tall. I'm going to go ahead and fill it with the blue. Okay. You're going to notice my top bar is filling in because this white's still on. So turn that off at the component level. All right, so now we're going to add a little text. Title. We'll make this 40 and use the typeface Oswald. Just regular. Okay, put it, about there. Okay, so as I had said before, we're going to make this into a component. So I like to design it here so I get that reference. And again, I don't want my top bar to be part of that, so we'll pull that out temporarily. Okay, so I'm going to grab this and make it into a component and call this title bar. Okay. Also going to make this so I can change this, so I don't have to go in there and edit it as I utilize it. So this is a very cool feature that we should all know about as well. So if we click in and we grab our title, down here we can change our typography, we can do all sorts of kind of cool stuff, but we can also make this into a property that we can change. So I'm going to grab this little guy here. It says apply variable property. And I'm going to click this plus and create a new property. So I'm going to name this property title, and I'm going to change the value to like input here. Okay, and it's going to create that property, input here. So it actually shifted that over. It's probably set to center. I want it to be left. So I should put that there. Okay, so once again, I grabbed that text. I went here to I'll go ahead and unlink it just so I can re-demonstrate it. Press this variable property and added a new property here called title. Okay, so in my assets as I use it, so I'm just going to go title bar. Okay, so we'll grab that and move this behind there. Now I can grab this kind of as a unit here and see where it says title input. Now I can change that to base. Copy this over. Notice how our grid is making that a lot easier for us to place these objects. So you can also say 0, 0. So let's say I've got it over here. Let's say 0, 0. Just do it by the number. Which I'm also a big fan of. So I'll change this from base to welcome. Change this to schedule. So that way we don't have to click in here. If I make a change, it could potentially kind of break the links. So using this text property is super awesome. Also makes it better for working in teams. Messages. Okay. So we'll test that. Okay, schedule, favorite, search, messages, home. Okay, so you should notice like a little animation here, kind of fluidly kind of fades in. It's kind of cool. All right. This is a little dark, so the last thing we'll do is kind of make some adjustments to it so it fits a little bit better in that frame, and create a light mode for this.